So, Doctor, can you give us a brief about what Medi Study and Go is?
Sure. Basically, Medi Study Go is an edtech platform. Because I have a dental background, I started with dentistry as the core subject. So when I was a student, I realized that I'm not paying attention in classes, and what I needed is something quick, whether it was just short videos on YouTube or whether it was just my friend teaching me. I realized that that's all I really need to really understand the concept, and everything else happens on the patient, and the patient is giving me the most amount of learning. So I felt like that is something that was missing in dentistry because it was all over the place. So we decided that we would work on a platform wherein all of the dental would be there, and the students could learn faster. They could retain better. I think that's one of the major problems that I faced. That how much ever I studied the entire year, I was not able to recall it when I needed it, mostly in the exam. So that's exactly what Medi Study Go does, helps in getting down time as well as ensuring that the retention is better so that we could recall during an exam.
Awesome. So, in short, I would say that it makes complex topics into a simple topics so that we can understand it and retain it better.